Well, hey guys, now we're outside. The board is ready. The remote is connected. I've set it to low mode to start up. So we're going for our first test ride. So in low mode it's really smooth cruising at around 13 kilometers an hour like indicated. I'm going to switch to medium mode now. Acceleration is already much higher. I'm at 26 kilometers an hour now. So I'm going to head all the way down and then we are going to do a full speed video on high. So the brakes are working fine. I got to get used to it. But one little problem I see with the board is that it has no kicktail, so it's pretty difficult to turn the board around. That's really important in my eyes, to have a serious kicktail. So now I'm going to accelerate in medium mode and then I'm going to switch to high mode. Then we are going to see what top speed we can get. So I'm at 31, 32, 33, 37, 37.3 was our top speed. So that's pretty impressive. On high mode you gotta pay attention with the brakes because they brake really hard. I'm not used to it yet. Here's my friend with my custom board. Today the top speed with my custom board was 40 an hour, so therefore I cannot show you the top speed of the Meepo board, but I'm going to reset it now and then I'm gonna show you that it really runs 37. So I've reset the top speed, so now we are going to see the 37 kilometers an hour. So as you can see, 37.3 kilometers an hour, that's pretty impressive for this board. I'm going to brake down now. Brakes are really hard on high. I got help today from my friend Yannick. He's showing you that the Meepo also is great for carving. And we're going to show you some uphill action now. And I'm going to show you that you can drive with the front wheels driven or the rear wheels driven if you invert the board. So it's a really cool board for the price. I must say I'm really impressed, and Yannick also likes the board very much. So now we're making the uphill test. Meepo doesn't have a problem. My board goes a bit better uphill, but I'm not showing you this now. That we are going to do in the comparison video. So we did around 10 kilometers now. We did not find anything out that impacted the board negatively, so that's a good thing. The battery has around 75% of capacity left. So now I'm going to show you how to reverse the direction. So now it's in the normal mode, and now I'm going to push the button once and it's going in the other direction. So you can choose if you want to have the front axles that accelerate or the back axles. That's something that everybody has to decide for themselves. We prefer the rear axle acceleration because you have more control. So after our first day with the Meepo, we are really impressed. It's a really decent board for the price you have to pay. So I'd say you gotta check it out. And I think that there are lots of new cool features coming soon. I saw on their Instagram profile that they are releasing a new remote and stuff like that. So I hope that we can still tell this positive about the board in a couple of 100 kilometers. So in the next weeks we will be uploading lots of e-skating videos, so please stay tuned. Give us a like and subscribe to our channel so that we can keep the channel going. See you soon, guys. Bye.